How to use InVideo for free. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can use InVideo. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here, as you can see, I'm on their website invideo.io, and over here is the pricing plan. Now for those of you who don't know what InVideo is, it's basically an online video editing tool, and as you can see right here, there is a free plan over here. However, there are two more plans known as the Plus and the Max. You can go ahead and opt for that as well if you want to, but for now we'll just stick with the free plan. This one, we can generate 10 minutes of work into videos, and you can sign in using your Google account, Apple account, or using your email. And once you've done that, they're going to ask you just a quick one. How did you discover InVideo? Just fill out this form, just fill out these questions, and you should be good to go. It doesn't really matter. And over here, they're just asking us to fill out the name and all of that. So we're just going to fill it out and move on. And over here, all you have to do is just simply add in the name, a topic, and detailed instructions, and it will generate a video for you. So let me just show you. So right now I just said puppies playing in the snow. Let's see what it does. And after it's done analyzing and all of that, it is going to say select the audience, look for field platform, and then just simply click on continue. Give it a couple of seconds. As you can see, it's analyzing the video right now. And here we go. We now have a video, and here we go. It has a voiceover, it has video, it has editing as well, different clips over here. You can see it. We can remove the watermark during the export, but yeah, the whole video is about puppies playing in the snow, about dogs playing in the snow with a narration in the background telling us about the joys of life and stuff like that. So as you can see, that is how we do it. That is how we use in video. Now all that's left for us to do is to just simply export the video. We just simply click on export video, and now we just simply select the plan we want, and we should be good to go. So that is how you do it. That is how you use InVideo. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.